Hello, students. This is chapter 1 of Civics Class 6 Standard Understanding Diversity. So, let us start with this chapter Understanding Diversity. From nature, mankind inherits a variety of things. This include plants, trees, flowers, birds, animal, religion, race, culture, and color. But before that, let us find out what is diversity. What is the meaning of diversity? Diversity is defined as the condition of having many different elements together in a classroom, in an organization, institution, country, world. This picture shows the perfect scene of diversity. Figure diversity at one place. If you look at this tree, you'll find different hand and one single tree. That is called diversity. Now let us move on to the another part, that is social diversity. Social diversity is regarded as something which makes this universe a place to be resided and attractive to live. Point 1 is human beings cannot fulfill all their needs on their own. So they depend on other social groups to fulfill these needs. Point 2, the various groups are family, community, nation and universe. Can friends be different class or background? Let us find out. Point 1, nothing stops people from different backgrounds from becoming friend. Point 2, right to education. That is RTE has made provision for poor family children to study in public school. This reduces diversity. Let us see with the example from our textbook where we find two children with the same name, Samir Ek and Samir Do. This is through the Venn diagram on Samir Ek and Samir Do. We will find out what are the common things. The common things are the name, can speak Hindi, live in India. These are the same things, but there are certain things which are different. Samir though sells newspaper, he cannot speak English, he is Muslim and he is having Muslim culture. Whereas Samir Ek, he goes to school, he can speak English, he is a Hindu and he follows a Hindu culture. History of human beings. Nomadic life, no interaction with other groups. Settled life, interaction with different groups. So man came to the intermingle and cooperate. Change interests, eating habits, culture, language, etc. became a mixture of old and new, which led to the emergence of diversity. Now let us find out diversity and interdependence. Within a social group, diverse types of activities are performed depending on their skills, interest, and education. Point 2, to fulfill one's need, people depend on others. Point 3, with the onset of globalization, the concept of interdependence between diverse areas has got a boost. Boost means is improved. Unity in diversity. If you look at this picture, India is a land where unity and diversity go hand in hand. In the picture at the center is the country India, our flag, and on the other side is different religion. India have different religions. Now the table on diversity and unity of people of India. If you look, subject, their religion, culture, religious festival, national festivals, and on the top is the different religion, Hindu, Muslims, Christian, Sikh, Jain, and what kind of religion, what kind of culture, what kind of festival they do is different and same. Now, let us conclude this chapter. Indian freedom struggle is a good example of Indian unity in diversity. During freedom struggle, Indians from different groups, different castes and different religion joined hands against Britishers to liberate India. Pandit Nehru in his book Discovery of India, he wrote that Indian unity is not something imposed from outside, rather it is something deeper and within its fold. That means people were not pressurized to have that kind of unity. Rather, it was the people who were very happy to enjoy this diversity. Thank you and have a nice day.